So knocked out another one of these vapor blaster guns for another customer in the US. Just about to test it out. I didn't bother taking the footage because it's pretty much exactly the same as yesterday's video, but I just wanted to get this quick test out of the way and then just mention a couple of things to do with sending these things overseas. It's off to a good start. There we go, come up really well, quite quickly. Not bad for a 2.5mm air jet. The large air jets and better air supplies work way quicker, but I mean if you only have a small compressor, then these are by far the best way of doing it. So pretty happy with that. I can package that one up now and send it off to the customer. I've had a few of these sold now. One thing I wanted to mention with them, it's the next one to go. I still need, I'm a little bit short of parts. I've run out of these already, so I have to go get a few more before I can finish them up. I try and get these out as fast as possible. Obviously there's a long wait with shipping all the way from New Zealand, so I try and get them sent as quickly as possible, but obviously this isn't my main income, so during the week while I'm at work, generally this has to take a back seat, but like tonight, quite often if I finish on time and I don't have any prior commitments in the evening, I will shoot out to my workshop, knock a few of them out, and try and get them in the post as soon as possible. So I'll put a few more details in the description of this video and the last video as the costs. I wrote the book because I tried to make this as accessible as possible so that anyone can sort of build them for their home shop and try and keep costs down. And saying that there is still a bit of precision work. You can bang them together without a lathe. It takes a lot longer and it's a lot more difficult, very finicky. So if you do want to buy one from me, I'm quite happy to send them anywhere in the world. Just send us an email, the address listed in the description, and I'll get you a price and get back to you. And if you want to go for it, then by all means, I'll knock one up and get it sent to you. But like I say, this at the moment, it's not really the point where it can be my main income, so it does take a bit of a backseat. So I will try and get them knocked out as quickly as possible and get them on the way to you, but sometimes there will be a bit of a wait. Especially if I've run out of parts. Like I said here, it might be a little bit of a delay in getting them together. But regardless, I will do whatever I can, get them knocked out as quickly as possible and on the way to you. Even if you just want a little bit more information, there's plenty in the book I've had a few people build them based on the guide that is also listed in the description, and are very happy with them. But like I say, if you don't have the tooling or the time to do it, and you do prefer one of these over one of the commercial style guns, one thing I like about these is they're a lot smaller. So if you've got a small cabinet, they take up less room. And particularly with these style cabinets, every little inch counts. So yeah, if you can build your own, go for it. There should be enough information in my prior videos to be able to do it yourself. If you need a little bit more information, it's just a few bucks for the build guide. And if you just want a pre-built one, I'm also happy to knock one up and get it sent to you. Any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'm happy to ask them. I kind of usually, most nights, I manage to answer at least a few, but there are plenty of coming through on the emails and in the comment section. So I try and stay on top of them, but at the moment, the priority goes towards my normal job. It'd be nice if I can change it in the future, but at this stage, I've just kind of got to prioritize a little bit and split my time as best as I can. So yeah, very happy with that little build. That'll be on the way in the morning, and there's another one to be finished in the next time I'm out here, and that should be gone by the end of the week too. So yeah, pretty happy with the results.